Come on, man. I cut my own legs. We'll be able to roll into all that thing. I survived making an action movie fight scene. In like every action movie, there's always a training montage, right? So I got a training montage in the middle, and at the end of this video, you're gonna be able to see the actual fight scene that we put together. So what we were doing was test shooting for a project I'm putting together that I'm gonna be shooting next year, that I'm super excited about. I'm not going to tell you much about it now, but I'm going to show you some of the raw footage, and you can see how it's put together. MMA shoot, cage match, like, subscribe, drop a comment down below.
So the first thing when you get the set, you unload all the gear. The helper today is late. First step is never be late.
I'm always late. If you're not early, you're late. That's how I look at it. All right, we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna help him load up.
Just us. So we're doing it ourselves.
Me, myself, and I. Because the producer of this shoot is just ridiculous. I'm tired of these producers. All right, so we're upstairs. We're gonna do some setup. Probably gonna hit the bag, I think, on this first one. It's all about getting warmed up. In order to be pumped, you gotta literally pump up your muscles like a balloon. Pump up like a balloon. I'm getting ready to do some shooting. Look at the lighting. It's kind of sexy.
To the bottom of the bottle, I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and put it away. I'd be okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I've been slave. Yeah.
We're in the cage. I'm with a man you guys might recognize, Manny. We did the Navy SEAL fit test. He took me through it. He's back for another. Host a hero. Make sure you guys host a hero. Today we are gonna put together a cinematic fight scene. This is gonna be cinematic, hypomatic, mesomatic. I don't know if those are real words, but we're gonna find out. Well, yeah, when that last punch.
You wanted the escape.
Yeah, that last punch, I'm gonna.
So ideally watching the action, figuring out where we can be.
And then this is where the action go for them.
Cut.
Shoot.
Okay. Good workout, isn't it? I'm like, oh shit, hit me right now. Train at Big Bear. Manny, can you get me in Big Bear?
Sure. All right, cool.
I'm shooting this way on you then.
First section of it, right?
Yeah, however long you guys want to go.
Well, I feel like if we do this piece,
All right.
In my house, I got a big giant teddy bear.
there we go. Bam, some of that. In the line of duty. And it'll be, here it's gonna be pop. And then that's when pull. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That looked good.
Sell the other stuff from a different angle.
Yeah, like your takedown sold on that. It felt like that when I kind of, like you kind of, the only thing that didn't sell to me was the punches a little bit. The kicks look good. You can probably pick up, I could probably do something that wide that you shot. Oh, my work, come on, man. I cut my own legs. We'll be able to roll into all that thing. So what we'll do then is we'll do the fury, because that felt pretty natural rolling into it all the way. You're coming out here.
Why did you decide to shoot this scene with the gimbal instead of handheld?
Just make it a bit smooth. So when they fight, you'll feel the impact of the shakiness of handheld. Just something I thought about on the fly.
Because he's a motherfucking beast. Boom. He's gonna kick. Boom. And then I'm gonna go for a sprawl, takedown, throw. And then we're gonna be back here. And that's probably a little pause. Super quick. Bam. Boom. I like this. Yeah. We can use some of this.
He's got a rifle. He's got a rifle. Shots fired! Shots fired!
Officials now calling him the epitome of evil.
Ready? Okay. We're approaching. Yeah, we see it. All right, it's on his left.
The Wisconsin Department of Justice released dozens of photos and videos to Law and Crime Network, showing what led up to the deadly shooting on April 8th. Perry was armed with a rifle.
Both officers are down. He's set up with a rifle.
Like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed that video and you want to see more, click right here. If you want to see me in action, click right here, subscribe, and if you just want to watch some TV or film, click right here.